Why is the fabric of space bendable, but also not visible by eye? I was looking at how our solar system works and see that essentially the curvature from space and gravity, or lack of, creates the movement of our planetary systems. I couldn't seem to make sense of the details of how space is similar to a fabric and can be shaped in some way. The example used was the age-old blanket with a bowling ball in the center, creating a wide curvature leading to the edges of the blanket. How is this possible but can't be seen, nor does it cause friction? Let me explain. The idea is that we do see it. We see objects with no other forces acting upon them seeming to change direction. And we see light bend as if curved space-time acts like a lens. The reason planets don't lose momentum to friction as they move through curved space-time is the same reason objects in motion remain in motion, traveling in straight lines through flat space-time. The objects aren't rubbing against anything, and they're not being deflected either. If you take a piece of graph paper and draw the graph for y equals x, you'll get a straight diagonal line. If you pick that paper up and roll it, now it looks like your line is going around in a spiral. But from the line's perspective, it hasn't changed direction. It's just following the same straight line, only now on curled paper. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains.